Hey guys, welcome back to How Logical. Today I'm going to show you how we can log out from our Webull account. If you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon to be updated with our new videos. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open the application. Next, you'll see this menu option. You have to click on that. From this, you have to select Settings option. And you have to scroll down a bit where you can see Logout option. You have to click on this and you'll see this, from which you have to click on OK and you have logged out. So this is how you log out your Webull account. Hope you find this video helpful. If so, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up and we'll see you in next video. Till then, have a good day. Bye bye.